In 1932, Western Australia, the enemy, not a nation, not a rebel group, but 20,000 emus, yes, giant flightless birds, fast, feathered, fearless. The mission, protect farmland, defend crops, wipe out the emu invasion. Cut to soldiers loading machine guns onto trucks. The Australian government sent actual soldiers with machine guns to fight birds. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. The emus were fast. They moved in tactical groups. They dodged bullets like they'd played Call of Duty. One soldier even said, "These birds have more combat skills than we do." Thousands of bullets fired, only a few hundred emus down. The rest? They scattered, regrouped, charged again. The emus won. The army retreated. The war was over. And the birds still out there. Officially called the Great Emu War. Unofficially, Australia's most embarrassing military defeat. Like comments for more.